And Wayne we start party on the boat top. I say one piece of vibes up there, so.
Hey! What's up, queens and kings? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is its_Kisaka. This is my YouTube channel name. So pleased to have you back on this channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, sharing it out, and also remember to jump down on the comment section and leave your sweet comments. To my return subscribers, I appreciate for taking your time always to come back and watch my videos. I don't take you for granted. In today's video, guys, I want to talk about MVP and all the stars of MVP. For the people who don't know about MVP, MVP is an athletic club in Jamaica. And one of the notable names that comes from MVP that has been doing one of the best sprinters in 2024 has been Kishane Thompson. Kishane Thompson, for the people who don't know, is the current person in 2024, the fastest sprinter in 2024 and the Olympic 2024 silver medalist. This guy has not been posting frequently on social media platform. And on the other hand, we have Elaine Thompson. She is also a sprinter, but she left MVP club. I don't know, I think now she has a different coach. In contrast with Kishane Thompson, she has been so frequent on the social media platforms. Recently, she was in Miami for a fundraising gala. And I'll be sharing all these videos as I break down. So to start with, Kishane Thompson has been training recently, and he decided to post on his Instagram stories. Normally, he doesn't share frequently as other athletes. Recently, Kishane Thompson posted training with his brother Kishane on his Instagram stories. Normally, he doesn't post frequently. He's I can put it an introvert, and all eyes are on him. We are waiting to see this coming season 2025, just a few months from now, how it's gonna be and how MVP is gonna turn out to be. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kishane Thompson training with his twin brother. They actually go through an intense training. Imagine doing this all the year round just to run for a time that is less than 10 seconds. It is not easy. It takes blood, sweat, and tears. Hey! On the other hand, you can see Elaine Thompson in Miami, USA, going to a Zara shop. I don't know if it's Zara shop or Zara brand.
Hi, welcome back to another Get Ready With Me.
Yeah, so this is Elaine Thompson preparing for the gala, and she's making the makeup by herself. I like this fact that she's doing it by herself. I think she has some knowledge in makeup. She does the hair, the face, all by herself. This is so nice. There's some people who refer to her as a slay queen. All of this, she was preparing to head over to the Charity Gala in Miami, and it was held in a yacht.
So I got this black dress from Zara, and this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. Yes, I love that fragrance so much. This cute little purse and my Zara shoes, of course. That's a fit of the night.
So there she goes, Elaine Thompson making up her hair. She's doing some curls. This is so nice from a sprinting star like Elaine Thompson. This was before going to the yacht. The fundraising gala was being held in a yacht. She's applying some perfume on the hair. She has been in this video. She has been talking mostly about a brand known as Zara.
What a face look nice. And I say, yeah, may I check it? And I going again. Woo, I almost burned myself. Woo, that was hot. So yeah, that is me.
There, that is the yacht. This is the first time she's boarding such kind of a yacht. That is on the runway, taking photos, and this is inside where the models were catwalking. You can see the food has been properly arranged, some of the models, and at the end of the party they had some good time, the dance, and she was not alone. She was with Wayne.
Me and Wayne we start party on the boat top. I say one piece of vibes up there. So then me and son now and say hot girl karaoke. Go with herself. Wayne him daddy if him focus on the phone. All in one time video. So we did a very gyrate and we have vibe and we have one. And yeah, it was all fun. Then now I start snap me like a 7. I say, yeah, girl look good, girl smell nice. The breeze is blowing the curls, it was giving. I was just vibing the entire night. On the boat, yeah. Then them started some like a water, something, yeah. So this man brave like, wow, cause I will never do this. It was fun, very fun of course. It was light, it was colorful. And him go on with himself out there, but I will never do this. I can say me not do this, but him go on with himself. Yeah.
It's good that most of the sprinters in Jamaica have social media platform and they share out some stories. One of the best sprinters from Jamaica, and also he was from the same club, MVP club, was Asafa Powell. And you know, the coach that has been training them, that is Stephen Francis. In one of the videos, he talked about social media and how most of these athletes tend to be broken down by social media, especially immediately before racing. I was talking about, you know, especially when the athletic season is on, there tend to be a lot of stories, like the story of Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromfield, and so many other stories. You know, such kind of stories, if you are a person who is not with a thick skin, they can break you. So he was of the idea that before running, athletes should be, most of these sprinters from Jamaica should be banned from using social media platform, because they can, while scrolling through the internet, they can come across a story that breaks their heart, and therefore the morale or the way they'll run will be broken down. Let me digress. Today in this video, I was aiming to talk specifically about Kishane Thompson. So as I have said, he's a guy who doesn't post frequently, and there's one video that was out just some weeks or a month ago, where he was shopping somewhere, and he created as people were running towards him, taking selfies. You know, this is a hero in the making. This year he ran the fastest time, that is 9.77 during the Olympic national trials in Jamaica, and from that time all the eyes were on him. It's only that he went to the Olympics, and due to photo finish he got silver. He was awarded with silver medal. So one thing that people don't know is MVP club has been having I know of two pair of twins. That is Tia Clayton and Tina Clayton. These are twins. With Tia and Tina, these are identical twins. While on the other hand, Kishane Thompson, some people don't know about this. Kishane Thompson also has his twin brother, but they are not identical. So I have some videos here that they were training the two, and in the previous interviews, Kishane Thompson at one point shared about or spoke about his brother. He said that he was comparing him with the Chinese thing, the yin yang and yang, that he's a very important part in his life. Like they train together, they support each other, and also he has something like an amulet on his hand, so that whenever he goes to run, he kisses, or rather he remembers his brother. You can also in one of the videos where Tia Clayton was running, and she emerged among the top 3. I think it was during the Olympics national selection, when they were selecting the team to go for the Olympics. Her sister was also there. So this is one thing that stands out about MVP Club. It has been having this year they have been having like 2 people who are with twins. One thing that I normally ask myself, in the case of Tia Clayton and Tina Clayton, in case one becomes sick, like Tia Clayton becomes sick, and is it possible for Tina Clayton to step in, and people won't be able to tell, or I don't know, because with the identical twins, they can do so many things, and when one, for example, does a mistake, if you're not careful, you can mistake him or her for another person. I also wanted you guys to give me your honest opinion about the season that is coming, because 2025 is just around the corner, and I don't know how the season will be, because some of the names that are big and expected at the end of the season, and the 2 main rivals from the Olympics, especially in the men's sprint, that is Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles, were missing in action. It started with Noah Lyles, and then we were expecting Kishane Thompson to participate in Diamond Leagues, but he was not where he went missing in action. So people were like, these were the names that were being expected in the Diamond Leagues. Anyway, congratulations to Noah Lyles. At this time, I think he has become a Jamaican now, because he officially proposed to Janelle Bromfield. So congratulations. I just want you guys to tell me, what do you think of the season? Is the record of Usain Bolt about to be broken? Is there any sign that it can be broken soon? Because Usain Bolt was recently in an interview, and he said that at this moment he has not seen anyone that is likely to break his records. I don't know what you guys think. You can give me your views down on the comment section. So thank you for staying tuned to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking these videos, and also remember to click on the bell notification icon, so that in case I post, you will be notified. Also, remember to share this video out. I'm out for now. Cheers. Thank you for always supporting me. God blessings.